Here's this Goodman central air conditioner. '13 SEER. It's got all these holiday lights on it. Looks pretty neat. It's from 2009, and I guess that's a 2.5 ton, if I'm reading that correctly. It has a Copeland recip in it. Straight cool unit. Might come back in the cooling season and get this running. I imagine it has a nice sound to it with that recip in it. Let's see if I can find the fan motor designations. I think it's a Braun Russian fan motor. I don't know the RPM because the fan grill is louver, which makes it difficult to read it. But Goodman central air conditioner.